Hi, my name is Tim Lyons, co-founder and managing partner of Cityside Capital. I've also been a New York City firefighter for the last 16 years. Currently, I'm working in the role as a lieutenant in a firehouse in Queens, New York. I grew up in a middle-class family in a town called Mineola, New York. Growing up, we never really talked about money or investing, and if we did talk about money, it probably wasn't a good thing. Like most firefighters, I worked at side jobs. So I worked as an ER nurse in a level 1 trauma center for about 8 years. It was kind of like the firehouse in that every day was different, but it started to be taxing. I started to feel stuck in the W-2 grind. I was working 70, 80, sometimes 90 hours a week. It wasn't a problem when my kids were small and couldn't talk, but as they got older, they started to miss me and verbalize that. It was starting to hurt, and I could feel that my family was missing me and I was missing them too.
There's been a lot of things that Tim's wanted to try, and I always support him, and he's pretty ambitious, so he always accomplishes them.
That's when I got started in real estate. I got started with my 3 family and immediately felt the benefits of cash flow. I did better on my taxes, and when we went to go refinance, just a few short months later, the valuation of the property had gone up. I was sold, my wife was sold, and I finally made a decision to stop working on the side as an ER nurse and go head first into real estate.